Peace and love, everybody. Speaking of peace and love, look at these new shoes. These adorable slip-ons I just got from YesWeVibe.com. YesWeVibe is a company that strives to spread good vibes, smiles, and inspiration all over the world. These shoes are actually the hippie van peace prints. They come in amazing different colors and prints, but these were my favorite. I don't know if you can see them up close, but they have two different peace signs, and if you look up closely, they have little VW vans all over them. How cute is that? The quality of the printing is incredible. These shoes are super durable. They also have a memory insole, so they're super comfy to wear forever. They also have this elastic piece that makes it really easy to slip on and off. And this canvas style is so timeless. Get yours at YesWeVibe.com.